Britney Spears, I'm gonna have to be quiet right now. There's a bird right there. I'm gonna go ask for an interview. First of all, I know that the whole world wants you back. I want you back. Please come back and make the world a better place by making that great music, the art of yours, and of course great movies. Crossroads, amazing movie. You are. I can still see you as a Lucy forever. I'm gonna go ask the birds. It's okay. I'm gonna be quiet. I don't want to make the bird feel unsafe. The bird flew away. I still love you forever.